Site Survival is an online course where you'll learn how to manage a successful build project when working with a contractor. Creating the home that you want can be an amazing experience, but the process of getting there is not always easy. As architects, we've spent many years helping people renovate. We've set up HomeNotes to share that experience, empowering you to confidently manage your building works. Join us for our in-depth course where we cover everything you need to know to keep your project on track. We cover how to prepare before site, how to manage your project during the works, and how to ensure finishing on site goes to plan. From the tricky stuff like what contract to use and what insurance you should have, to the practical, like how to manage payments and a system for ordering your fittings and finishes, and importantly, what to do when things don't go to plan. It's everything we've learned through years of renovating, and we can't wait to share it with you. We've made it easy to get the information and support you need when you need it. From bite-sized video classes to downloadable spreadsheets to keep your works organized and clear. Come join us to build the confidence to be in control of your works and to use your own skills and energy in the right way to achieve the home you want.